Hello children, welcome to a new video lesson on the chapter We All Are Indians. Have you even seen the map of India, children? Before you start the lesson, have a look at the map of India. What do you see here? So many states and a vast geography. This is the eastern part. This is the western part. This is the northern. And this is the southern part of our country. This is the central part, children. Always remember that every region, every state is unique in their own way, be it festival, dress, food, language, or any other thing. Diversity is the most wonderful thing about our nation. Come, let's read something about diversity today. My name is Meenakshi. I come from Tamil Nadu. I speak Tamil. My favorite festival is Pongal. What is your name? I am Ramu. I come from Gujarat. I speak Gujarati. I like to dance the Garba. I am 7 years old. How old are you? My name is Gulabo. I come from Rajasthan. I like wearing colorful clothes. I enjoy seeing puppet shows. I travel by camel. How do you travel? So we meet here Meenakshi, Rani, and Gulabo. I am Badul. I come from Bengal. I speak Bengali. I like painting and music. I study at Shantiniketan. Where do you study? I am Vibha. I come from Maharashtra. I speak Marathi. Once I visited Ellora and Ajanta caves. Have you traveled anywhere? I am Surinder. I come from Punjab. I speak Punjabi. My neighbor, Mallika, likes to do Bhangra. Which dance do you like? Next, we meet Badul, Vibha, and Surinder. We hear about their place and little bit about their diverse background. So children, diversity is such an interesting thing. We will close this part of our lesson here today. See you soon in the second part. Till then, happy learning!